I just burned my ear. Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, demonstrating, and overall just like walking you through this box of hair tools. Everybody's talking about this on TikTok, okay? This is the Wavy Talk Always Picture Perfect 5-in-1 Professional Ceramic Interchangeable Curling Wand Set. We're gonna jump right into this video, but before we do that, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have yet to join my family, and let's get into it. Currently, this set is $44.99. I would pay this price just for this. And it lasts 4 days. It's not one of those curling irons that just falls right on out, okay? I did show you guys one from, I think it was Conair, and it was $10. Okay, $10. Now, if you use the right products, that will last you all day. But without the products, it's just gonna fall right flat, and it means 10 freaking dollars. But these are actually ceramic coated, so that really does like lock in the style, which I appreciate. In this kit, you're gonna actually get like this little black pouch, and it's filled with all of the different wand attachments. This is a 1-inch heated round brush, tapered barrel. It's 1 to 1.5 inch, half an inch barrel, 1-inch barrel, and then my favorite would have to be this 1.5. It comes with a little glove to help you if it's your first time using a clipless wand, because you can and might burn yourself, so make sure you use this until you got the hang of it. 2 of these little scrunchies and 2 clips. You just add a little head to the wand, it clips. Then here is your on and off switch. So if you have short hair, this is gonna be nice to give you some volume and all that, but if you have long hair, don't play with this, please. Don't play with her, because you're gonna get burned. That's the one I'm never gonna use. I'm gonna do my entire head with the largest barrel, but let's go from the skinniest. Show you how it works. I mean, might as well show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna take a small section of hair like this, and this is how we're gonna get our tight, tight, tight curls, okay? So you're gonna point your barrel down and wrap the length of your hair all the way around the barrel, and you're gonna hold it for 15, 20 seconds, not too long, okay? Depending on your hair type, just check it out. You're gonna figure out really quickly if you need to leave it longer or you need to take it off faster. So do a quick like hair strand test. All right, and then I'm gonna let it just fall into my hand. Girl, look at this. Again, I'm gonna point it down and go around the barrel just like this. Does not need to be on there very long because these tools get really hot really fast. Here we go. This is the only size that has a clip. The other ones are clipless. You just hold the hair and wrap it around the barrel. In my opinion, I feel like it's a lot easier, but some people do prefer to have the clip because it secures the hair and doesn't slip off. So in that case, we're gonna go mid-shaft. I'm gonna twist, 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 and then we're gonna go down a little bit, like feed it over a little, and then we're gonna go up again, feed a little, up again. Here's another curl. The one that I'm excited about the most would have to be the Big Daddy, okay? Point your barrel down and wrap around. And here is the curl. These are crucial hairs in the front because it's framing your face. So if these are messed up, girl, it's downhill. So make sure you take your time with the ones in the front. Look at that wave, y'all. Yes, I'm excited. I'm gonna let it cool before you brush it out or use your fingers to comb through them. So let them just chill out for a second, okay? I'm also gonna be spraying a little bit of hairspray because I don't want them to lose any of that sass. Okay, so now this side is cooling down a second, but on this side of my hair, I'm just gonna take my fingers, not a brush, just my fingers to comb through them, and it's gonna give me these really big, nice, like, blowout waves. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. My hair looks awesome, and I have to go. I have to go pick up my son now. If you guys are interested in purchasing this kit or any of the other products that I showed you in today's video, it'll be linked down in the description box below, or you guys can follow me on Amazon. I do have an Amazon storefront. Everybody and their mama does at this point, right? If you know of any other products that you would like me to review or check out before you spend the money, I'll be the guinea pig and I'll try them out for you here on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you have not already joined my family, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye!